Hi guys, so today's inspirational quote is about self-confidence. The only way you can gain self-confidence is to do what you are afraid to do.
Never. No. Self-confidence will come another way. Because if you tell me now, say for me to get my self-confidence now to do what I fear to do, like as I fear snake now, make I go find snake key so that I go make self-confidence die on your own. I don't want. So who they fear lion now? The only way to get that confidence now to go follow lion play. No, make the self-confidence die. Because your own now that self-confidence you won't gain will kill you. So your self-confidence will kill you if you do what you're afraid to do. Now what you go talk? Not to see people go die early death. Leave self-confidence alone. Wait till they fear you run from them. Leave to fight another day. Thank you.